So guys, recently I have posted quite a lot of videos on the Realme X2 Pro, and as you know that it has quad cameras on the rear and a decent front facing camera too, but we have to test it. So this is the test of the cameras of this Realme X2 Pro. By the way, currently I am shooting this video with the front facing camera of this Realme X2 Pro. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a full camera review of this Realme X2 Pro. So let's begin. So first of all guys, before I start the video, let me tell you the specification of the device. As you already aware that this smartphone comes with Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. That's a very amazing processor, by the way. This is a top of the line processor. And talking about the cameras, it has quad camera on the rear. The primary sensor is 64 megapixel with aperture of f1.8. No OIS, very sad though. Then we have a 13 megapixel f2.5 telephoto lens, that's a 2x optical zoom lens, and then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. After that, it can also shoot 4K videos in 3060, 1080p videos in 30, 60, 120 and 720p videos and 60 FPS basically. And it has EIS too. So this is a shot which I have took in the daylighting situation from the primary sensor, and as you see, this is the photo, and wow, actually it looks good. The dynamic range is great. Not bad. Even the HDR was on auto. The dynamic range is great. Colors are good too. Not bad at all. I think the photos turns out to be really good. The colors are decent. White balance is good. That's great actually. And overall the details is pretty good. By the way, it's a 16 megapixel picture, not the 64 one, because the pixel binning, you know, the magic of pixel binning, combining 4 pixels into 1. It can shoot up to 20x photo. So this is a wide angle photo. This is a 1x, basically a normal lens. Then we have 2x telephoto zoom. Then we have 5x hybrid zoom. And then also we can zoom it 20 times basically. Wow, it looks good. Again, wide angle lens, main lens, basically 1x, 2x telephoto zoom, 5x hybrid zoom, and 20x zoom. 20x zoom does not give you detailed image, but yeah, it's good enough. And the actual quality of the wide angle lens is pretty good too, as you see. Even the dynamic range is pretty amazing, even though the detail is good. And then we can also shoot portrait photos from the rear camera. As you see over here, quality of the portrait pictures are pretty good. The dynamic range could be better, as you see over here, but overall quality of the portrait is good enough. The edge detection and all those things is pretty good. Then guys, we move to the indoor lighting situation, and as you see over here, we have some noise, but as you see, zooming in, we get pretty good amount of details with the primary lens, as you see. So this is a normal lens picture guys, and in the indoor lighting situation it performs really good. Color, saturation, dynamic range, everything seems pretty fine over here. And then we can move to wide angle lens, and as you see, this is a wide angle photo and it turns out to be pretty okay in my opinion. I mean, wide angle lens is not as superior as the normal lens, but still we can take good pictures from the wide angle lens too. And then we have the 2x telephoto zoom, and we can also take 2x telephoto zoom picture in the indoor lighting situation. Then we have 5x zoom and a 20x zoom present over here, and I mean, wow, impressive, great. Then moving to the low lighting situation, as you see, pretty much unusable picture, and the focusing in the low lighting situation is very hard here because it does not able to focus because of the lighting. And then we have nightscape. We can use nightscape to take the pictures in the very extremely low lighting situation. So yeah, these are some of the low lighting pictures which I've took. I know the focusing is not that great, but still we can take some decent low lighting pictures from the camera of this Realme X2 Pro. I'm not blown away with the camera quality, but it's very good. And then we have a video department. So yeah, please watch the videos and do let me know what do you think about them. So hey, what's up guys, this is a 4K 60 FPS footage from the rear facing camera of the Realme X2 Pro. So yeah, do let me know what do you think about the color, saturation, dynamic range and all those things which are necessary in the camera. By the way, I'm just casually walking on the street. So yeah, so guys, this is a 1080p 30 FPS footage from the rear facing camera of Realme X2 Pro, and I'm casually walking on the street. So do let me know about the dynamic range. By the way, dynamic range looks pretty good, as you see over here, and all those things too. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let's see, let's change the cameras. So we can go 2x, we can go 5x, which is insane, as you see over here, and it is quite stabilized. Whoa! And we can shoot with the ultra wide too. So this is a video recording from the ultra wide camera of the same, Realme X2 Pro, and wow, the ultra wide looks fantastic for the dynamic range. Look at the dynamic range. We can go up to 20x. By the way, this is a St. Regis hotel, and this is a 20x zoom, and it is quite stabilized. I mean, I am just holding the phone in my hand, and this is a 5x zoom. First of all, let's go to the 5x. This is a normal 5x, which is a hybrid zoom. This is a 1x, 2x, 5x. So yeah, we can go up to 5x with the one tap, and we can further zoom in and go up to 20x. Insane, guys. It looks damn good, and it is very stabilized. Yeah, let's begin. So guys, this is how I'm shooting currently. I'm shooting this video with the rear facing camera of the Realme X2 Pro with the bokeh mode, and the bokeh mode is on 100%. So yeah, do let me know how it performs. Let's see, let's test it with phones. So as you see, this is my phone. So let's see, is it focusing on this one, or is it blurred or what? I don't know. So yeah guys, this was the videos, and I am quite amazed by the quality of the bokeh videos. Overall, in general, every camera provides you very good detail and very good videos, but I am quite stunned by the bokeh videos as well as the ultra wide videos. So great stuff, Realme, great stuff. And now let's move to the front facing camera. And talking about the front facing camera, it has a 20 megapixel front facing camera, single lens on the front, and with the aperture of f2.0. So let's see some of the selfies which I have took from the front facing camera. So this is the normal front facing selfie, and wow, impressive. Skin tones are just on point here, and it has some sharpening effect even after turning off the beauty mode, but still the skin tone and the colors are just on point here. Very good. I'm impressed with the selfies that it can capture, even though the dynamic range is not that amazing, and sometimes I feel that when you turn the auto HDR on, you will get some blurry images from the front facing camera. So hold still while you're taking selfies, but still the front facing selfies are pretty good, and you can take good, very good quality portrait pictures from the front facing camera too. And I love the skin tones, by the way, very nice. And moving to the indoor lighting situation, as you see, it is quite hard to basically attain the very good exposure here because the dynamic range is not that good from the front facing camera. Still the quality is pretty good, pretty acceptable, as you might say. As you see over here, these are some of the pictures which I've took in the indoor lighting situation, and you can also take portrait pictures in the indoor light too. So that turns out to be really good, even though there are some blemishes which I found in the portrait mode, but still it looks pretty good, pretty nice, pretty serviceable, I can say that. And moving to the low lighting situation, here also it can take pretty good pictures. I mean, very I can say pretty serviceable. You can definitely use it. And in extreme low lighting situation, you have the nightscape too, which gives you a bit of details and very clean images, but it is not very much usable. But we have the screen flash, which gives you very decent enough details in the pictures. So yeah, overall selfie camera is pretty amazing in the good lighting situation, but when we lose the light, it does not able to keep up with other phones. So yeah, let's talk about the videos. So guys, I'm currently shooting with the bokeh mode on from the front facing camera of the Realme X2 Pro in the 1080p 30 fps. So yeah, do let me know what do you think about this bokeh mode and the quality of this video. Yeah. So for the comparison's sake, guys, this is how it looks without the bokeh mode on. And I know the dynamic range is not that great. By the way, I'm currently shooting with the front facing camera of this same Realme X2 Pro. So yeah, do let me know what do you think. By the way, I'm looking at the screen, so don't mind if I don't look at the camera. So currently I'm shooting this video with the front facing camera of the Realme X2 Pro. So guys, do judge it. So as you saw the videos, guys, I have to say the videos from the front facing camera is not that amazing, I can say. The quality is good, but the dynamic range is very poor here. So I hope you're listening, Realme, and if you're listening, please work on the dynamic range of the front facing camera of the Realme X2 Pro. That's it. That's my complaint here. Otherwise, the front facing camera and the rear facing camera is just amazing here. I mean, not as good as some other phones which I've tested, but still the front facing camera and the rear facing camera of this smartphone is just amazing to look at, especially if you see that it's just a 30,000 rupees smartphone and it offers 90 Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon 855 plus processor, and all those amazing things. So yeah, overall I can say that the camera of this smartphone is just amazing. I can surely recommend this phone to the person who like to take pictures and take videos. The cameras are not the most strong suit of this phone. The performance is but still the cameras are good enough, so you can definitely take amazing pictures and the videos from this camera. So overall I can say that the cameras are good. So yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button and share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very, very amazing for me and for them as well. And by the way, guys, if you love my content, you can subscribe to the channel with that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this. And guys, I will leave my Flipkart affiliate link in the description box. And if you wanna buy this phone, you can feel free to use that link. It will help out the channel without costing you any extra penny. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.